how to pause an Instagram reel. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then click on this reel section right here at the bottom. If you click on the reel section, it will open the reels. And unlike other vertical video scrolling platforms like YouTube Shorts or TikTok, where if you tap once it's gonna pause the video, but unlike them, in Instagram Reel, if you tap once it will just mute and unmute your audio. So Instagram's quite unusual in that sense. So in order to pause the video, you will have to long press and hold the video. So once again, if you long press and hold the video, it's going to pause the reel. There is another option that you can do, that is if you click on this three dots below the share button, it will show an option that says sequence, and if you tap on the sequence, it will open a section where you can go in the video frame by frame. So for example, if I want this exact frame, I can scroll through, I can slide through this at the bottom, and this will take me to the exact frame of the video. And this is another way that you can pause an Instagram reel. So it's very quick and easy, and you can also go frame by frame in this method if you use the sequence. So that's how you can easily pause an Instagram reel. Thank you for watching.